Along with Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer, Lord Vishnu is one of the three principal deities in Hinduism, together known as the Trimurti. As the preserver, Lord Vishnu takes different forms whenever the universe falls into chaos. These incarnations, known as the Dashavatar, always share one purpose: to restore dharma and protect the world from evil forces like the demons. The first incarnation of Lord Vishnu was Matsya, that is, the fish. According to Hindu scriptures, such as the Shatpat Brahman and the Matsya Puran, this form appeared during a great cosmic flood. At that time, the world had turned irreligious and disorderly. So the gods decided to cleanse it through a deluge and then renew creation. Lord Brahma had been given instructions by Lord Vishnu to remodel the world, and these divine instructions were contained in the Vedas, the sacred text of Hinduism. But while Brahma rested, a horse-headed demon named Hagriv emerged from his nose, stole the Vedas, and hid them in the depths of the ocean. This Hagriv is not to be mistaken with Vishnu's own Hagriv avatar. Meanwhile, a noble king named Satyavrat, who was devoted to Lord Vishnu, was performing rituals by the river. While washing his hands, he found a small fish in his palms that pleaded for protection. Out of compassion, Satyavrat placed it in a jar, but the fish quickly outgrew the jar, so he moved it to a tank, then a river, and finally the ocean. Yet the fish kept growing larger and larger. At last, the fish revealed his true identity, which was Lord Vishnu himself. Lord Vishnu, in his Matsya avatar, told the king that within 7 days a catastrophic flood would cover the world and destroy all life. To preserve creation, he instructed Satyavrat to build a great ark and gather in it seeds of all plants, every type of herb, pair of animals, and the 7 great sages who are the Saptarishis. He was also to bring the serpent Vasuki, who would serve a divine purpose. When the flood waters finally arrived, Satyavrat's ark was ready. Lord Vishnu appeared again as the gigantic fish, defeated the demon Hagriv, and restored the stolen Vedas to Brahma. Then, using Vasuki as a rope, he tied the ark to his own horn and guided it safely across the violent waters. When the deluge ended and the waters receded, Vishnu placed the ark safely on the Himalayas. There, Satyavrat, now known as Manu, the father of mankind, began the task of rebuilding human civilization. Thus, through this Matsya avatar, Vishnu not only saved life on earth, but also ensured that knowledge, which were the Vedas, and Dharma, would continue to guide the world.